Last time we're starting late.
We always start late because there's a lot of players complaining. Yeah. Filipinos always complain, right?
First 5, blue team.
Basketball, I always complain.
Pwede mo magbigay tayo ng free meal voucher sa manonood. Pero ganahan mo wala. Kasi naman isbabon. Pero yung mga taga-Kruger.
Yamaguchi, Nash, number 49, Aba, at number 17, or 6, Arnold, 5, Gonzalez, between, at Concepcion. Number 17, wala. Same ball. Arnold, nilagay kay Chris. Number 19, short. Number 19 ulit. My God. Number 6, first personal foul, first team foul. First shot, no good.
Wala eh. May mga pasok. Pero papunta na iba.
Lagi katulog ah.
Si Eman eh. Umalis kasi si Eman eh. Nilibre sila ng sponsor nila.
Number 49. Nash, 14 to shoot. Number 49, short, rebound, Kuya Louis. Foul number 13. First personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds. Nash. Wala. Rebound number 19. Concepcion. Tumira. Wala. Rebound Gonzalez. Wala. Gonzalez. Wala pa rin. Gonzalez pa rin. Out of bounds.
Uy, may mali pala akong nalagyan.
No, like 6.
Gonzalez. Pinasa kay Concepcion. Layup. 2 points.
Sila na lang yun ba?
Sino yung nakapiltra si Gonzalez?
Ayun.
Sino yung foul?
Number 49. Wala.
Si Kuya Louie, tsaka si Akaba. Baba!
Concepcion. Pinasa sa kalak. Number 49. Tumira. Wala. Rebound TJ. Pinasa kay Concepcion. Between. Wala. Gonzalez. Wala pa rin. Number 17. Close up. Wala. Nash. 2 points. Concepcion, last to 5. With TJ, pinasa kay Gonzalez against Akaba. Gonzalez. Wala. Number 49, 2 points. Kay Louis, advance.
Time out.
Time out. 6 migration.
Ay, siko mo na lang.
Saan yung ano mo? YouTube. YouTube.
Isang break lang muna, nag-toilet yung...
Ay, wait lang. Sige lang. Sige lang.
Time out muna tayo?
Time out pa.
Pwedeng patayin mo muna yung oras or...
Hindi po eh.
Gusto mo, okay lang ikaw mag-isa? Go na, go.
Back to the bowler.
One drive lang muna. Ulit!
Nash. Pinasa kay number 49. Titira Andres. In and out. Nash rebound. Wala. Rebound. Number 49 ulit. Wala ulit. Rebound. Nash ulit. Nash. Wala. Rebound. Nash. Wala pa rin. Reception. Pinasa kay Barreiro. Basket. Right. Kasama pang foul.
Sino foul?
Foul number 2. First personal foul. Second foul. Steal by Ron. Pinasa kay Cruz. Dito kay Ron. Tumira ng 3. God bless. Baba, pinasa kay number 17. Number 49 ulit. Babawi. Finally, for number 49. Double, pinasa kay Barreiro. Steal. Nash. Ron. 2 points. Number 49. Angkada. Pinasa kay Nash. Tumira. Wala. Chris. Pinasa ulit kay Ron. Or steal by Nash. Angkada. Drives. No good. Concepcion. Solo pass to Ron. Wala. Barreiro. Pull up. 2 points. Yamaguchi. Layup. 2 points. 3-point lead by 6 migration. Chris. Casteron, pinasa kay Louis. Pulls up. Wala. Rebound at Barreiro. 2 balls.
Walang dead ball, pre.
Yamaguchi for 3. No good. Rebound Ron. Number basket. May kasama sa foul.
Second personal foul.
Number 2, Yamaguchi, substitution ref. Sub shot. Number 2, second personal foul, third team foul. Bonus shot for number 15, Nabo. Rod for 3. Wala. Rebound you. Out of bounds. Same board. 11 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 49. Oh, 2 points. Point for number 49.
Score 30 na.
Dijan, pass to Roy. Dijan, pinasa sa gitna para ilo. Pakit pass to you. Shot clock is off. 5 seconds. Yamaguchi, pinasa ka number 70. Tumira. Wala. Number 49. Wala. And of the first half, official score. First quarter, sorry, first quarter. 16-13 in favor of Six Migration.
Ano? Excited ka? Start pala sa second quarter. O, i-announce ko na to. No, we're TV na.
Hello, best audience.
So we will be giving away one free voucher for Silog. For one lucky audience po, we will be giving one free meal voucher. So kung sino man po ang matipili, may libreng Silog.
Wala yung uniform niya, pwede bang gano'n?
Hindi pa yung nag-usap na kayo ni Kuya Peter.
Ano na? Pwede ba yung gano'n? Lalagyan ng number?
Same to us.
Hindi kaya,
Same to us.
Sorry? Kausapin ko muna si Kuya Peter. Kausapin ko lang si Kuya Peter about this. Kasi strict tayo sa jersey eh.
that's your rules.
Same to us.
Camera lang, camera. Ba't na nawala? Huwag mo na lang, huwag mo na chat.
Nagsisino mo.
Reese. 100. No good. Rebound. You. Oh, Gonzalez. Wala. Rebound. Gonzalez pa rin. Rebound. You. Gonzalez. Binigay posisyon. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Out of bounds. Same ball. 2.5 seconds to shoot. 2.5.
DJ!
Posisyon. Number 27. Pinasa kay Jones. Steal. Concepcion against 4. Fires a 3. Wala. Rebound. Gonzalez. Foul number 28. 27. 28. First personal foul. First foul. First shot is good.
Yan ang nag-picture eh. Request.
Nice!
Both shot is good.
Tulusot ba?
Yan!
Number 27. Pass to Kinukuha ko. Out of bounds.
Tanggalin ko muna.
Del Mundo. Face. Pass. Wala.
Kuya Pits. Opo.
Foul number 27. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Wala. Susulatin ata. Wala.
Number 14. Nasa ka number 27. Same ball.
Number 2 ata.
Number 14. Campaner for 3. No good. Rebound by Mugo. Concepcion. Basket. May kasabang foul.
Sino ko? Nakor.
Number 15. Substitution rep.
Sige.
Pang 15 nila lang.
Okay, sige.
One shot for Chris Concepcion.
Pwede na ba yun?
One shot is good. Number 15, Jones. Pulls up. Wala. Rebound, Campaner. 2 balls.
Si Chris foul counted, tapos si Campaner, number 7.
Foul counted. 3 points. Sino?
Campaner, number 7.
2 points lang.
Number 27. Solo pass to Campaner. Number 19.
Ilan?
First personal foul. First team foul. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Concepcion against number 14. Crossover. Concepcion, corner. Wala. Steal by Del Mundo. Del Mundo, left, wala. Rebound. 14 seconds, shot clock, 14 seconds. Del Mundo, nasa kay number 19. Short, rebound, number 19 ulit. Nasa kay Del Mundo. 2 balls. Jones, spins. Nasa number 14. Campaner for 3. Wala. Rebound number 28. Concepcion against number 27. Pinasay Gonzalez. Foul.
Sino foul?
Foul number 28.
Ilan?
Second personal.
Ilan?
Second personal.
Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Kuya Arnold.
Sabi ko siya, ref.
Sige, okay na yun. Basta yun yung gagamitin niyang
Oh, yan.
jersey.
Thank you.
E paano pag nilaban yan?
Thank naman yun. Thank you. O talaga. Thank you, Camille.
Sige po.
First shot is good.
Suray ka, dami ka rin.
Second shot is good. 9.8. 9.8. Number 28, layup. Wala. Chris, nasa number 19, 2 points. Lumalaki na ang laba. George, pinasa kayo number 27. Takshan is good.
Wala na.
Gonzalez.
Sap. Iya, kung ano
Wait
ba?
lang.
Ano ba? Sap.
Foul number 7. Substitution rep.
Ilan yung 7?
Okay na po.
Ilan yung 7?
First.
First personal foul, warning for penalty. Double. Right. Short. Rebound Louis. May foul.
Sobrang agresibo. Parang batang-bata, no?
Foul number 28. Third personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Mr. Energy. Louis Cito. Between. The shot is good. Second shot is good. Number 27, wala. Rebound, Paraino. Paraino. Wala. Rebound, Campanella. Foul number 13, Luisito between. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 14, Junior Ball, pass to Jones. Biasay Campanella, fires the 3. Wala. Rebound, number 28, 2 points. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off.
Up.
Perfect shot. Screen by number 15. Arnold. Pinasay Chris. Pinasay Louis. Wala. And of the first half. Official score 29-20. 9-point lead by 6 by Croatia.
Sugar. I need sugar. Sige, partnership na.
Back to the ball game.
Left. Number 1 po yun. Ay, nagpalit eh. So, Kruger ball.
Kruger. No. 6.
Mag-jumper ball.
Tama yun, hindi malilipat yun.
6 migration shot.
Lipat na.
Number 1. Bang!
1, 2, 2! Lapit!
Number 49, babawi. Wala, hindi naman. Sick migration bro, sick migration. Del Mundo, kaya sa loob, steal. Number 49. Foul. Foul number 12, Del Mundo. First. Cuevas pala. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for number 49. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good again. Drop ball. Kruger ball. Kruger. Number 18. Number 49, fires at 3. Short. Rebound you.
Hindi pala naayos.
Number 1, wala.
Third person of
Substitution rep. Foul number 2. Third personal foul. First team foul. Seconds shot clock. Del Mundo. Sa loob. Tumira. Bang! Number 18, nag-81, pinasa kay Nash. Nash drives, wala, rebound, 49. Tumira na press, short, rebound, freeze, kinate. Pinasa ka number 1, 2 points. Abasano, drives, foul.
Wait lang po. Report lang muna, Rep.
Stop. Wait lang.
Foul number 20. Sabi ko si Rep. Pasok. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Labasano. First shot is good.
Okay, huwag na mag-shoot. Huwag na mag-shoot. Lapit.
Noguchi. Wala. Out of bounds. Reese. Against Nash. Pinasa sa kaliwa. Number 1. 10 seconds. Reese. 5 seconds. Wala. Rebound Arayno. Wala. Number 1. 7 seconds. Wala. Rebound you. Number 1, wala pa rin. Rebound na rin you. Pero may foul. Offensive foul. Number 20. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Namaguchi, sinasakay na. Driving the lane. Wala. At about 6 members in the ball. Ten seconds. Parailo. I foul. Foul number 26. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 45. Parailo. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound, number 1. Sinasakay na ba? 8 seconds. Alley-oop, wala. Labasano against Nabo. 2 balls. Foul number 26. Second personal foul, third team foul. Nabo, wala, all board.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Ganado kaya Louie ah.
2-0 ka, 2-0 ka ngayon ah.
Labasano, wala, rebound, Concepcion. Inasa na number 1. 2 points. Yamaguchi, 2 points. Number 1, reverse, wala. Out of bounds. Kruger. Sabi to sa rep.
Sorry po, nakalimutan.
Marap! Alaga tayo, alaga.
Yamaguchi again. 2 points.
Malapit ha, diskartehan nyo!
29 lang ba?
Parailo is foul. Foul number 2. Warning for graduate. Sabi to siya rep. Warning for penalty na po ang Kruger. Pasok. Akabagi, dash out. 2 shots counted. Parailo. Sa loob, pinalik kay Chris. Pinasakay number 1. Bang! Good points.
Niagad na lang.
Nakarami na nga bigla eh.
Dalawa!
Chris, steal. Good points.
Sampu na lang.
10.3/6. Arba Sumbo. Shot clock is off. Parailo drives. May foul. Basket is good. Foul number 26. Number 26, third personal foul. Bomb shot for Parailo. Shout out for the two-time MVP Gerard Alfron.
Tara, tara.
Sa dami ng pulis.
Ball shot is good.
Wala lahat yun.
Nag-pan ba sila? Nag-commit ba sila?
Wala.
Hindi naman.
Si Isap, late na nakauwi. Overtime. Panggabi yun eh.
Saan na yung small chair niya?
Ginawa niya ano, ni Chris. Hindi, kaya okay lang yan.
And at the third quarter, we can score 44-31, 13.3 yard, 6 aggression. Paalala lang, sa mga manonood, meron po tayong free meal voucher galing sa Silog.
Hindi kasali players ka.
So, hindi kasali yung mga player, yung mga audience staff. So, pag nakita namin kayo ng kikir sa team nyo, bibigyan namin kayo ng free voucher.
Pero dahil malakas yung palakpak ka mo.
Hindi, hindi pala. Siya pala yung si Bulel. Bulel, siya pala yan.
Bring it in.
Back to the road again.
On time kami nag-start niya. Kaya mahaba yung pahinga natin. Kasi napahinga na namin.
Sick migration ball. Concepcion against number 49. Concepcion, layup, wala. Rebound you, 2 points.
Strike lang ta.
Oo, kuya, first.
49, wala. Rebound, EJ. Louis is fouled. Foul number 49. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Louis Cito. His star.
Gusto mo ba siya, no? Paray, no?
Sexy din dati.
Nashot.
Both shot is good. Ambaner fakes, drives. Wala. Out of bounds, same ball.
Nakalipat na si John.
Sick migration. Steal. That is foul. Foul number 8. First personal foul, first foul. 2 shots for Nash.
Paano itong makikita ko yung one before ako mag-click?
At dito.
Wala ka sa amin.
In and out.
Nasa Adidas player si Chris, ano?
Hindi ko. Si, ano?
AJ.
Rebound by you. Chris fires 2 points.
Ha?
Campanella, pass to number 27. Dinali kay Campanella. Ten seconds. 2 points for Nash. 17.82 ang lamang na sick migration. TJ. Dinali kay Concepcion. On fast to steal. Oh, di pala. Gonzalez. Wala. Ang parer, dinarek. 2 points. Concepcion, nasa kay Yu. Huge. No long pass to Gonzalez. 2 points.
Si Aldrin lang.
Shout out to the two-time champion, Alvin Zamora. Concepcion, layup, wala. Campanel, 4-3. Short rebound match. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Second hit foul. The shots for number 25, Nash.
Pag na-shoot yung pangalawa, pag na-shoot yung pangalawa. Pag na-shoot yung pangalawa, pag na-shoot yung pangalawa. Ano pa naman?
TJ is fouled. Sabi to siya rep. Foul number 8. Ah, 7 pala.
Second personal.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for TJ, 5.
Long press naman siya. Ganun ba talaga?
Okay.
Ay, binuview mo.
Ay kuya. Ay kasi nagpo-focus siya kuya.
Ah.
First shot is good.
First shot is good for TJ.
So cold talaga?
Oo. Parang iano lang siya.
Pagkatas daw tayo.
Tatlo yung kuha niya, no?
Second shot for good. Rebound, Taba.
Pa-time out talaga.
Sino? Pag na-shoot. Time out!
Time out! Time out!
Time out!
Time out! Time out!
Kruger pala, kala ko ano, dabre. Seek migration yun.
Time out! Team migration.
Ako nandyan din sa mic.
Masyado ko yung gigigil ah. Kala na gigigil. Mahabol na. 14.
Awak. Na-late ka?
7 quarter na ako dumat.
Nabakan niya na naman.
So to all the audience, kung sino man po ang makipili, makakatanggap ng isang meal voucher from Silog. So audience lang po including ang players. Audience, may free voucher from Silog.
Ano yan? Irarapon mo?
Sa audience lang.
Raffle na o papamigay lang?
Mamimili kami. Kung sino kanina pa nakaupo dyan, walang ginagawa.
Pan lang, random lang.
Kung ako dun.
Random
Man, shot clock ko.
Random natin nila kasi maraming nakaupo na kanina pa eh.
TJ. As the squeeze. Still, Wayakama. Tumatakbo ang Google. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Tumira, pinasa. Number 27, wala. Rewind by TJ. Pinasa ay Kuya between. Nagninig-nig. Kuya Louie is foul. Wait lang, wait lang.
Back to back din si Kuya Louie. Tumawag na.
Number 25, unsportsmanlike foul.
But nice.
Technical free throw for Louie between.
Ilan na yung 25?
Number 25, first personal foul. Between. Concepcion. 10 seconds. Concepcion. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Number 27. Pinasakay. Number 17. Wala. Rebound number 27. Out of bounds, same ball.
Stop. Wala na, labasan na.
Nash. Wala. Rebound. Sabi ko sa red.
CJ, stop.
Pasok.
Stop ka? Pasok.
Sabi ko sir.
Kamil, ginawa naman tala number 1.
Oo nga, kuya. Tinakpan. Sinat ka kita.
14-point lead by Six Migration. 2 minutes and 25 seconds left. Yamaguchi inbound the ball. Pass to number 17. Kinasay Capanel. Left corner 3. Bang!
Third personal.
Sino?
Kampanan.
Number 7. Third personal foul. Running for penalty. Luis. Mira. 2 points. Luis. The pass. Sabi ko sa rep. 2 points for number 1. Number 49. Still by Chris Concepcion. Araino against Yamaguchi.
Naman kami.
Concepcion, pass to number 1. Wala. Louis, wala. Offensive foul.
Third.
Number 13.
Sub.
Substitution ref. Number 13, third personal foul.
Time out na po.
Time out. Ruger. So score 56-41. 15-point lead by Six Migration. Remaining time 1 minute 22 seconds. Reminder 1. Ruger running for penalty. Six Migration 2-2 foul. Back to the ball game.
Di mo nililipat to?
Nilipat ka kanina.
Capanel, lays it up, wala. Rebound, 6. Foul. Foul number 2. Graduates. Penalty po tayo, ref. Penalty, ref.
Paano ka mamaya?
First shot, no good.
Ayaw daw niya kasi gawin sa
Kay Dada?
na small chair.
The 45. Second shot is good. Capanel, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay number 14 against Leonardo. Step back 3. Wala. Rebound na Clara. Wala. Nakaba ulit. Pinasa sa labas. Number 49. Bang! Fourth personal foul. Penalty ref. 2 shots for number 33.
Kaya nga eh. Asan yung ano, KFC ko? Ha? Taga-Trubay na ko ah. Saan kami kumain? Papa Rich. Putang anak Papa Rich pa. Harap.
Harap pa. Tickets game.
Oo kuya. Sarap pa, libre.
First person.
First personal foul. 2 shots for Arnold Faber.
Mortgage. Broker? Broker? Ay, hindi lang pala mortgage.
First shot is good.
Nakapati home loan yung next time libre.
Wow.
Kaya nga yung pang down.
Hindi mo, dilista yung kaya ano. Kasi mo. Mukha ano.
Del Mundo. Number 49, Lopang Bora. Del Mundo. Is foul.
Graduate na rin.
Graduate. First shot no good. Second shot is good. Head of the moment. Official score 62-44 in favor of Sick Migration. Picture po muna, picture. Kruger and Sick Migration, picture po.
Oo, kaya nga sabi ni Books, bigay sa'yo yung isa apat na gawa namin.
Picture, Sick Migration at Kruger. Next game, 35 up category. West Side, SD Property. SD West Side Property.
Kaya kalaban nyo.
Sila
Versus Mrs. Market. Panicoy.
palagay mo dito.
Sige pare. Good luck kaya. Hindi mo sinari sa JC to?
Spare din yata eh.
Wala pa. Sumagot na ako. Sumagot ka na. Sumagot ka. Ano sagot mo? G. G. Kala ko H. Basta pugi. Ayos na pugi. Nong!
Oy. Wapo pa rin.
Balita ko, pogi ka pa rin ah.
Parang ikaw.
Ay, hindi ka na po. Sorry.